Got it, John. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do that, baby.
Come on, get up.
Hey, you kids, be careful. This guy right there. This guy shooting at you.
Bring it out, baby! Watch out, you're moving in hard on this side.
You got my leg. Give me cover fire, move! Alright. Hey! I need some glue right down here now.
It ricocheted.
Come with me now.
Oh shit, I got hit.
I want you on the outside rim, right? You use this portal to strafe anyone who comes up to that wall. That's your position on the left flank. I'm out.
Nice.
I'm getting high ground.
Got shot in the face again.
Hey, man, walking. He's out, dude. Woo! Hey, you guys, watch over their head. Watch over their head.
Luke, come in. Follow me.
Down there, there's two of them. Come up there with you. Six. Come on, brilliant! You want me to come up with you? Stay here, guys, stay here. No! You doing good? You doing good? They're down right low.
Oh. Hit.
Push down, Blue! Push them up!
Right there. You can't get a shot.
He's not doing anything. Come on.
Stay down. Me and do the spot. People come to the right,
And I want him right here, and I'll take his spot.
You want me right here?
Come right.
Watch your position, Blue!
You want me right here?
I want you to shoot anyone that comes on the right side.
Right here?
Or left, through there. Use that other porthole as well.
Okay.
That's 7.
Nice. Good stuff, man.
Fun guns for everyone.
Over?
I don't know. Come on, Blue! Get off that field, let's go! Let's slow back. Come on, boy, an enemy that doesn't die.
Not do that.
Get with it, what's up? Hard to fight an enemy that doesn't die. Big talent. Five talent? They're locking over the That man walking.
Was the helmet like, was that on someone's head?
Right.
I thought I hit it, but maybe I didn't.
Hey guys, watch that left side.
It's not.
United fucking Richmond. Yeah, they've been doing that the whole time. They're trying to get him, but yeah, they still in that sprint right there.
Reloading. Well, Sergeant, I will take a spot if you get hit, but I can't really hit you far. Hey, don't shoot unless you got shot. Take up from that. Thank you. Hey, there's a guy, he's bald, he's wearing a lot of gray. He's been giving us issues all dang day. He's hit.
Hey, I want to sit down in another building outside of...
Got one, there's another one.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah, there was two. I didn't see the second one. That man's coming out. That man's coming out.
Okay.
Go ahead, stand up, get out of there.
All right, y'all keep pushing the high ground.
All right, guys, let's move on. They're moving. Ready? Go. Okay. Another one's falling.
Roger. Hit! Hit!
Hit.
Oh shit.
Oh, wait, blue? Sorry.
I don't know what's going on because they're all in the woods. Apparently you can move around. They're shooting at me from the woods. I guess these woods are. I shot a couple of them.
Yeah, they are.
Pick him up, Ben.
On the left! Hey!
All right, move.
Watch that Princeton move. Shit.
This shit's fucking crazy. Trenches, airsoft, people surrounding us. This shit's hot. I know some people are missing it, but you know what? You're not at Richmond. We're fucking here.